Hey there, fellow adventurers! Are you feeling that itch to just get up and go? To trade the familiar hum of your daily routine for the exciting rhythm of somewhere new? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about crafting unforgettable travel experiences, so buckle up, grab your travel journal, and let's get started. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Rick, planning? Doesn't that take the spontaneity out of it all? Not a chance. Think of planning like laying the foundation for an incredible adventure. It's about maximizing your time and making sure you don't miss out on those hidden gems. What are the must-see sites? Are there any local festivals or events happening during your trip? This is a chance to unearth those unique experiences that will make your trip truly special. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way in transforming your trip from ordinary to extraordinary. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel activity, packing. I used to be the guy who brought his whole life in a suitcase, but over the years I've learned that less is definitely more. The key here is to pack smart. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. Stick with versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Oh, and don't forget those little things that make a big difference. A power bank, a reusable water bottle, a mini first aid kit, and a good book. Now let's talk about staying connected in our modern world. No, I'm not saying you should spend your whole trip glued to your phone, but having reliable access to information and communication can be a lifesaver. Before you go, download offline maps of your destination. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being lost in a new city with a dead phone battery. Consider getting a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi hotspot if you're traveling abroad. It'll make navigating a breeze and allow you to share those incredible travel moments with your loved ones back home. Here's the thing about travel. It's not just about seeing new places, it's about truly experiencing them. The best way to do that is to immerse yourself in the local culture. Learning a few basic phrases can go a long way. A simple hello, thank you, or excuse me in the local language can open doors and create instant connections with the people you meet. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals. Ask for recommendations, listen to their stories, and embrace the opportunity to see the world through their eyes. Here's a little secret about travel. No matter how meticulously you plan, things will inevitably go wrong. Flights get delayed, weather throws curveballs, and sometimes those must-see attractions turn out to be closed on the day you plan to visit. But here's the beauty of it all. Those unexpected detours often lead to the most memorable experiences. Embrace the unexpected, be flexible, go with the flow, and don't let a little hiccup ruin your adventure. Travel is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. As you explore new horizons and create lifelong memories, don't forget to capture those special moments along the way. Maybe it's snapping photos of those breathtaking landscapes, jotting down your thoughts and feelings in a travel journal, or even filming your own mini documentary of your adventure. Trust me, years from now, those photos, those scribbled notes, those video clips will transport you right back to those incredible moments. Well, folks, there you have it. My tried and true tips for making your next vacation the best one yet. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations on a list. It's about embracing the unexpected, connecting with different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Now go forth and explore this amazing world of ours. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own travel tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.